Okay, so now we're recording again. Blizzard 2016, January 23rd. So we'll go out in the snow. See how it is. Oh wait, hey Aaron. Yeah. Can you hold this a second? I gotta put my hat on. Forgot. Just step inside here.
I got it. Wait. Here. Okay.
Don't drop it, please.
I won't. It's hard. Good enough right now. To drop it.
Not that blue phones aren't very... Blue phones are actually real cheap. Like, they don't cost a lot.
I look so neat. I look neat. All bundled up.
On the video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay, here.
Alright, so here we go. Oh, wow. Huh? Whoa, this snow is deep. I'm coming. Why are we going up the...
Go on to the world.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, man.
This is so
The
deep.
snow is...
Up to your hips and like over my hips.
It's snowing like crazy still.
I can't get through.
I know. We should put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. I'm through it. Yes. Oh, no. Snow's my boots. Okay. It's going to get even deeper, Aaron.
I know.
We're supposed to get another 5 to 8 inches.
Wow. I can sit on this. I can literally sit on this.
Yeah.
That's...
I'm glad these phones come with a case. I'll just wipe the screen off a little.
Bit.
Video shutter button image. Shutter button image.
Thank God we can
0215. 5 image. 02 shutter button. Video shutter most recent photo. 5 image 0220. Shut video shutter button image.
Alright, shine. Hey Aaron, I have shine on. This shine reader. Hey, look at that.
Watch out.
Why?
It's a big compact snow.
Oh man, it's blowing. Sideways. I'm gonna hold the camera away from the wind. It's freezing my hand, but it's worth it to video this blizzard. Then I won't be able to shut it off if I wanna. I just want to video it for a little more.
Then you're gonna put it away?
Yeah, in my pocket. Are we going over here?
You said no. The snow's really blowing hard.
Yeah, it is.
And it's deep.
I'm gonna there. Well, the phone has a rubber case on it in the back cover, so. Wow, it's really snowing. What? They did? Yeah. Want to go back home?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is the blizzard, so I'm going to stop videoing.
Video shutter button image.